Okay, now it's time to start talking about what are called functions. When we talk about functions, it's important to understand what's called the domain and the range. The domain is basically the things that are plugged into the function, and the range are the things that come out of the function. So when we look at some correspondences like this, we want to look at the left side here as being our domain, and the right side here as being our range. Now, the question here is whether or not each of the pieces of the domain go to exactly one answer. So when we look at this part A here, notice that -3 goes to the value of 7. So one thing in, right? One answer out. Here, the number 3 goes to the number 7. So one thing in, one thing out. It does not matter that these two values in the domain go to the same answer. The important thing is that each one of them goes to only one answer. So the answer here is yes, this is a function. Now look at the difference between this one and this one. Here, the -3 goes to the number 7 and the -3 goes to the number 10. That automatically tells us this is not a function because you have one thing in the domain going to two things in the range. That's not allowed. So we would say here, no, it's not a function. Now notice we didn't even have to look at 3 because once this one failed, we can say the whole thing is not a function. And that's about it.